Have you ever seen an animal so bizarre, so unique, that it feels like it walked right out of a fantasy story? Meet the Babirusa, a creature that's as fascinating as its name sounds. This is the Babirusa, also known as the deer pig, and it's native to the lush forests and swamps of Indonesia. These wild pigs are part of the Suidae family, but trust me, they stand out from the crowd. Why? Well, let's talk about those tusks. The Babirusa's upper canines grow straight up, piercing through its skin and curling back toward its face. In some males, these tusks grow so long that they can actually pierce their own skull. Nature, you're wild, but there's more to this animal than just its jaw-dropping looks. Babirusas are omnivores, munching on fruits, leaves, and even small animals, and their strong snouts are perfect for rooting through the forest floor in search of snacks. These pigs are also surprisingly social. They live in small groups and are known for their grunting and squealing communication. Plus, fun fact, females are the ones in charge. Girl power, right? Sadly, the Babirusa is listed as vulnerable, with habitat loss and hunting threatening their survival. But by learning about them and supporting conservation efforts, we can help protect these amazing animals for future generations. If you loved learning about this funky forest pig, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild facts about our planet's incredible creatures. See you in the next video.